Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing Patreon for September 2025. We'll be looking at some STL files for Warhammer, proxies, D&D, and anime figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and let's begin. So we have Bruno R3D. There's another figure one as well. Let's see here. F it out. I hope everyone have a good week. For me, we're test printing Ellen Joe right now, the lewd version of it. And once that's all done and rendered, we'll be putting two of the figures of Evil Eye and Ellen Joe onto the Patreon for this month. Let's see here. I do not like why Patreon keep changing its format of the layout for it. But September, that's be worked on. Here we go. We have this one from Kill la Kill. I think her name is Poison from Street Fighter. Forgot her name was from the DC. And we also got what you call her? Wendy, I think, from Wizard of Oz. But yeah, those are the four. There's Azurma, another figure one as well. Let's see here. This is so we got the Fearin, Goth Fearin. There's another Goth Fearin that looks even more goth-like for it. Trying to find out. That's August. And for this month, we have Nina for it, but I think we got it. So August model, you get the past model, and you get the September one as well. We got Rogue, uh, the water gym leader from the Scarlet and Violet, I believe, and Riza, I believe, from Jobless Reincarnation. Next one, ES Monster, another good one. This is this month, and I might have to scroll that in a little bit more so we can see a lot better. So this is this month, and this is your welcome pack basically. So we got Terry Bogard, Rogue, forgot her name, Bowsette, Wonder Woman, Eve. That's Wednesday because this thing. Some Demon Girl, Morgana, and Morgana's sister, I believe, as well. Let's see what we got. The Crimson of Dark Heroes and their bust. Uh, Nomination for that has begun. October 1. We got Tonade as well for October. Altair. Jury. But yeah, we got a lot more stuff that's coming in. This is this going to be for this month? Jury swimsuit wear. Yeah, Power Girl as well. Okay. Roan Art Workshop, another good figure, very good one. They also do D&D minis as well. We got these four. Uh, not, I was saying Paladin girls or Fighter girls, I will say, that you can use. If you pin up of a anime character girl wearing a bunny suit. Tonka figure, another good one as well. Let's see what we get for this. That's August released. I want September release. Not pay. Okay, September 30th lineup. I haven't got these yet because I mostly get female characters, especially if I get pin up. But we got Darksider. Um, this is War. We got the I forgot her name from One Piece, Cyclops, Joker. Forgot his name from Demon Slayer. The game from Hades, Itachi. These are the bust. These will be the Chibi, Extra, and Toon. So you have Walter White as Toon. It's full size and the bust over here as well. Kiba Monster, if you're into Pokemon, this is something you might be interested in. If you want to get some Pokemon, we got some Digimon here now. And we got Pokemon 220 comes arrive. So yeah, I'm a huge Pokemon fan. I'm not looking forward to the new Pokemon game that's coming up for the Switch 2. especially if you're going to have to like grind a certain amount to get the mega stones. Usually, you just go around find the mega stones for it, but this is going to be the September one lineup. So one variation with Mewtwo and Mewtwo and Mew, Corsola, Swinmoob, Venonet, and Venomoth, and there's Venomoth. Alice 3D Art, another figure. This is a current project for this month, and the old project that you can get and pick up for yourself as well, and many other things. Okay, let's see what we got. Uh, Chuchun Render Summer version. I don't know a lot of. I know some of them animes, but it's very hard to catch up with all these damn animes now. Popular products, unpaid, welcome, collection. No, I just want to go to post. So I see Megatron and Chicken from Family Guy. Let's see, for this month, we got Igris. This is an April one. The recent post is Princess Bubblegum. That's 5 hours ago. Holy shit. Yesterday, Statue of the Soul God leveling. Already got that. We got the chicken from Family Guy. I was not really big in Family Guy for some reason. The beheaded Dead Cell. That's locked. Sonic from Sonic 2. The Red Ranger. Last year to get the April one. I don't know why it's giving me so many different things. The Beholder miniature, good for D&D. You might see some Warhammer proxies. I think you probably do for Woodland Elves for the game. Let's see here. Yeah, some of these you can actually use for your Woodland Elves, for your old world if you're interested in that. 1 cent for Seven Kingdom. And the rest of this is coming out with it. September release. I think the full release right here. We got some Mongolian, looks like the old world. I know they have the Oriental class uh, races in it. It's just I just don't have anyone to play with, and I would love my character to play some Oriental stuff in my game, but they have to travel east. And so far, a lot of my D&D players like to stay like one area only. So it's kind of like I gotta figure a quest to try to get to the east. But that's a whole different thing because I don't have any Oriental stuff. Basically, character for D&D. A Dungeon Classic, other D&D stuff as well. Pretty good stuff as well for these guys. There we go, September. We got a rock. Those are nasty. Female Vestian Spy. Vestian Thugs. Animated armor. That looks actually pretty cool to put in. Room of animated attack. That's it. That's all of it for better be freaking cheap. I forgot how much it costs. Tiger Skull RPG, another D&D stuff as well. Yep, they're gone. Tarax Factory, these are good terrain pieces. I'm just letting you know, they're freaking huge in many ways. So you got Ziggurat. Some of these you can probably use for Age of Sigmar terrain for your thing. And this is like 40k ones as well, if you're interested in that. Surreal Factory, let's see if this thing is still alive. Should be alive. Step August 14th, August 8th. They're alive. Let's see. I would like to see what's coming up for September, but you guys can try to figure that out. I am not gonna look through that. I'll put that down in the link so you guys do because I get demonetized now. They're very anal about that now. Recent post. Let's see here. Lost logo. Oh. Oh my God, we got Mexican wrestling dons and Hulk Hogan. Uh, Lucha Gnomes. There we go, a whole bunch of stuff. This is for Blood Bowl, or as you can tell. This is a Blood Bowl style of the game. But yeah, that's just funny. I might get this just to get these gnomes. I want to see what my players think about it when they go against them. Well, anyhow, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you have a great day, guys. Bye.